In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message someone on Behance. If you've discovered a creative you admire and want to reach out for feedback, collaboration, or a quick question, Behance makes it straightforward. Start by going to the Behance website or opening the app. On the homepage, look for the search bar at the top. Type the person's name or handle, then make sure you switch the filter from projects to people, so you're searching for profiles rather than artwork. This helps you find the right person quickly, especially if their name is common. Another simple route is to browse the projects first. If a particular project catches your eye, click into it. On the project page, you'll see the creator's information, typically near the title or along the side. That's where Behance highlights who made the work and often includes collaborators as well. Click the creator's name or profile photo to open their profile page. Once you're on their profile, look for the message button. It's usually near the follow button or in the profile header. Click message to open a small chat window or message panel where you can write directly to the creator. If you don't see a message option, the user may have restricted messaging. In that case, it's normal and simply means they prefer not to receive direct messages. Now, compose your note. Keep it clear, polite, and specific. Mention how you found their work, refer to a particular project or detail you liked, and state your purpose in a single sentence or two, whether it's to ask a question, propose a collaboration, or request permission to reference their work. Be professional, avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information, and aim for a concise message that's easy to respond to. A friendly greeting and a brief sign-off go a long way, and a quick proofread helps you catch typos before you send. When your message is ready, click Send Message. If you're not signed in, Behance may prompt you to log in or create an account before sending. After it's sent, keep an eye on your Behance notifications and email alerts for replies. Creators can be busy, so give them some time to respond. That's it. Go to Behance, find the person through search or from a project, open their profile, hit message, and send a thoughtful note. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting on Behance.